UOP Upadhyay Inspector General ke BSF Meghalaya ula pentip ban nadu Bnai kalalingkot hadu Bnai naitung araja arpusan ki bor Pahara Khappud ki layok ban kem hadu arspak hat saungot ki Bangladeshi ki barung bat mi bi na kani ka jalla. Haba pentip ya kani sikilat pathai kubor ha kanok phais ngi jong ka arpa hundre tere naitung araja arpusan UOP Upadhyay ula ong. Bakini ki kentop ya ki shispa arpa hunyongot ki barung bat prapa hunyongot ki batmu ban letpai biang sya kategori. Ulaang bakal long ke badan kamban penbun syuk-syuk ya ki sipai BSF haki jaka Khappud namar ki jingja ki badang sudap jia ha kategori ki bo jingma ya ki than Khappud.
Actually, you see the trans-border crime is a major concern on Indo-Bangladesh borders. And because of the economic disparity, most of the people on either side of the border are engaged in the petty criminal activities, and they also work as a tout to facilitate the infiltrations. So, in coordination with the state police and the state agencies of Meghalaya and with the border guards of Bangladesh, we are working and we are sharing the details of the touts so that we can address the problem of these touts and control the infiltration. Actually, whosoever we are catching on the borders and those who are trying to infiltrate, we have a very robust mechanism and we are contacting BGB and we are handing over to them. Whosoever is being apprehended and whosoever is trying to exfiltrate, we all are giving them to the Bangladesh guards, border guards of the Bangladesh. So this is what we are doing. I cannot say that the pushback can be used here because we are, as per rule and as per policy, we are handing all the infiltrators and all the exfiltrators to the BGB, that is the border guards of the Bangladesh.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.